So it's been a little over a month, I think, since I got this truck. We took my 12 valve Cummins out of that truck because it was hit. I don't know. Somebody hit it from the back, crushed my cab. So it's finally done. Took the 460 gas engine out of here, and now we've got the Cummins in there. She's running good. After deleting my fuel shutoff, I didn't tighten up the solenoid for it tight enough, so that's just some diesel fuel from that. And then, the normal leak. But yeah, she's on the road. Just took her for a test drive, and it's doing great.